This video I will explain how to avoid sending money to the wrong number in Google Pay. Sending money through Google Pay or any UPI app is fast, but because it is so fast, it is also easy to make a mistake. Once the money is sent, it goes directly to other person's bank account, so it cannot be undone immediately. That is why you must be careful before tapping on pay button. We will see what are the easy steps are available you to avoid sending money to the wrong number. You have to always double check the mobile number or UPI ID. Before sending the money, carefully look at the mobile number, UPI ID and bank account name. Even one wrong digit can send your money to a completely different person. Always read the number twice before confirming. You have to confirm the receiver's name shown on the screen. When you enter a number or UPI ID, the app shows the person's verified name. This name comes from the bank. If the name looks different or unfamiliar, do not proceed. This is your first warning that you may be paying to the wrong person. You have to use the QR code only from trusted sources. If you scan a QR code, make sure it is from the correct shop, from a verified source, not covered or replaced by another sticker. Fake or replaced QR codes can send money to the wrong person. You have to save frequently used contacts. If you regularly send money to someone, save them in your Google Pay contact list. Saved contacts reduce the chance of typing the wrong number again and again. You have to avoid sending money in a hurry. Most mistakes happen when people are rushing, paying quickly, not checking the details. Take a few seconds to check the amount, receiver name, and number. These extra seconds can save you from losing money. You have to send a small test amount first if you are not sure. If you are paying a new person or a new shop for the first time, then try sending a small test amount like 1 or 2 rupees. If the receiver confirms receiving it, then you can send the full amount safely. You should not click on random payment links. Sometimes you may receive links asking you to pay or claiming to be offers. These can be risky. Always use the official Google Pay app to enter the number yourself. Avoid links sent by unknown people. You have to keep your Google Pay updated. Updating the app helps you to get the latest security checks and warnings. These updates can detect mistakes or suspicious details before you pay. Here you can see the summary of whatever we have discussed.